Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to join a Google Meet. So to do that, first let's head on to Google Meet and then create a Google Meet link so we can join the link later. So over here I'm just going to create a new meeting and then let's copy this link. Alright, let's create an instant meeting over here. Alright, so we have this link over here. All you have to do is copy this link, and when someone sends you this link, all you have to do is paste this link over here and then hit enter. Alright, there you go. Now all you have to do is click on join, and that's it. That is how you can join a Google Meet. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.